Our Nikon Z6III with the Z8 and Z9 finally got the firmware update to select between shutter angle or shutter speed to achieve the desired motion blur. You can go into the menu under the pencil icon, custom settings, G12 shutter mode. Shutter angle gives you the degrees selection that will automatically adjust your shutter, such as the 180 degrees, which is technically times 2 of your frames per second. Select shutter speed, which is common, and you have to pick your own shutter speed manually. If you're filming in 60 frames per second, it's actually good to have your shutter beyond the 120th of a shutter to even the thousands, so you can get slow motion that is super smooth without any motion blur. However, if you're filming in the movie specs of 180 degrees shutter angle, then you have to set your frames per second to 24p, bring up the aperture to determine how strong you want the background bokeh to be. ISO usually set high at 800 for the minimum for log video. You have to set your shutter to 50, which is times 2 of your 24 FPS. The 50th of a second creates natural motion blur that our eyes naturally see. This setting also makes your video super bright, so you have to use a variable ND filter to adjust your exposure. I recommend this KNF variable ND filter, discount code Myung at kentfate.com.